Get noticed in this 2006 Chevrolet Malibu Max. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.